Hi, and thanks for tuning in once again to UK EDC. Today we're going to be looking at the Nitecore Tiki. This is supplied to me kindly by a lovely lady called Diana, and she works for Manventure, who are the Nitecore UK official distributors. So without any further ado, let's check this little torch out. So let's do a quick tabletop then. What do I like about this torch? The Tiki from Nitecore. It's the same size as my little pinky finger really, so it's got a really small form factor. Great for ultralight EDC, which we'll have a look at in a minute. Nice and small, bit of contour in there so you can get a nice grip. Little hole there for a lanyard. It does come supplied with a little key clip, but I prefer something else, which I'll show you later. And we've got our USB rechargeable port there, so we're saving the planet with batteries, and our pockets of course. And on the top we have our on-off switch. So should you want continuous light, press and hold for about 1 second, and you're going to get hit with 300 lumens until you release your finger like that. So for continuous light, you double click quickly, 1, 2, and you start off on the ultra low mode, Moonlight Mode, Midnight Mode some people call it, and we can click to go through the low, the medium and the high. We're getting a bit of flicker on the lens, that's the frame rate. I have done some outdoor shots so you can see this a little bit later on, and one more click and you're back to the low mode. Hold on for a second or two and it clicks off. Now this is where the magic happens. 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3, and we get UV mode. So UV mode's great for checking banknotes. Should you get some banknotes you think are iffy, you can check that. Obviously UV light is used for lots of other purposes, and if you click again you have like a lantern mode, and again this looks better outside, which we'll have a look at in a minute. And one further click will give you a flashing mode. So that's great to put on your backpack or your rucksack or your cycle if you're out and about, or for a tent marker when you're out camping. So I've done some outdoor shots and we'll go through that. I'll also put up the stats for you, and of course there'll be lots and lots of information in the description bar, so have a look in there and how you can get hold of one of these, and some more information about Manventure. Okay, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the outside portion of the video. Okay, so let's look at this little torch outside. So press and hold to enter the 300 lumen full stage. As you can see, it lights up my garden lovely. Release to turn off. Double click, click, click. And we have the Moonlight Mode. One more click, low. One more click, medium. And then one more click and you get the full 300 lumens again. A long press to turn off. Now by clicking 3 times rapidly, 1, 2, 3, you get the UV mode. One more click. It'll give like a lantern kind of effect. Strong enough to light up. You can't see because the white balance is trying to kick in. And then one more press and you get a flashing mode. Now the last 2 modes on that would be absolutely ideal if you're out running at night or on your bike at night. Something to dangle from your rucksack so people can see you. And a long press turns them off again. So there you go. That's the modes of this little tiny torch that can offer in the night. So one last time, a long press, and you can see my garden's thoroughly lit up, and it's 11 o'clock at night. So this is my mini EDC, ultralight EDC kit that I carry on my keyring, and you can see we've got the Nitecore Tiki torch there, a little Swiss Army knife, front door key, a very small whistle, and a little titanium fish that someone made for me, and that all fits nicely into a very small package. Great little flashlight, really liking this one. I can't tell you how impressed I am with it. Definitely going to be a keeper. It's one of these things, if I lost it I'd definitely buy another one. Boom. So there you go, that was my review of the Nitecore Tiki. You can see it's a great little torch supplied to me by Manventure, so thanks very much for doing that, really appreciate that. Stay tuned for more videos, nearly got that magic 2000. Keep tuned, then we'll do a giveaway. It won't be this, it's so damn good I'm going to keep it. Peace out, much love, take care wherever you are in the world, bye bye.